Dear customer, welcome to the PODOEIL Smartwatch tutorial. If you want to change the watch face, please open FitCloud Pro and find Watch Face in Devices. Our smartwatch offers over 380 watch faces in various styles for you to choose from. Changing the watch face is very simple. Just click on the desired watch face and select Sync Watch Face. After a moment, your smartwatch will display the new face. If you wish to DIY your watch face using your favorite image, just click on the first watch face. Select your preferred image in the icon and crop it. Then, click Set as Watch Interface and confirm. After a moment, the new watch face will appear on your watch. Thank you for your trust and support in our brand. If you encounter any issues during use, please feel free to contact us via the email above, and we will be happy to provide you with professional after-sales service. Thank you for watching.